Welcome to Playtime Toy Unboxing. I'm Kyla, your host, and today we have this. Family. Let's go into school.
And what is that?
A Peppa Pig school. We have the camper van. The house, and this.
And the Peppa Pig school playset. And you love school, don't you? And Peppa loves school.
And I'm sick.
You are still a little bit sick. Kyla's been sick for like a week now, right?
Now I have a bubble in my cough. For real.
She has a for real bubble in her cough. We gotta open our school. Rocking in my shoes. Daddy, you should sing that.
Rocking in my school shoes, rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Here we go.
So right now we are going to tell you about the school. This is the desk. My school doesn't have a desk.
It has little tables with chairs, right? Cute little ones. These are actually really cute because they're attached. The desk is attached to the chair.
This is the teacher's guitar right there.
It looks like it has some music notes on that chalkboard. And there is some cubbies and
here's like numbers.
numbers.
And this is where George's first day. George painted this and Peppa painted this.
Oh, that's beautiful. And there is a clock, right?
And these are little hanging
The
triangles.
little decorations.
Here's another one.
So it comes with 2 desks
And another
and one table. Oh, don't forget to show him the board.
And this. Oh wait, something's cool.
It flips over. One side is A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, and some shapes. And the other side has a little drawing of a house and a sun and sky.
And a drum. And a trumpet. All kinds of different instruments. And here's some color up here.
Show them what it looks like when you close the house.
Okay, we never seen.
It looks like a real cool building.
That looks like a cool building. Oh!
And there's the bell. It's recess time. And it, of course, comes with the teacher, Madam Gazelle,
And
Peppa Pig, Susie.
no,
What's her name again?
Zebra Zoe.
Zoe's the zebra.
Zoe Zebra.
And these
Forgetting
are the-
these 2.
We accidentally took the Peppa out because of the house. We
And
have
here's
this
a
for
whole
old.
set. Now, does Zoe come with the set or zebra? Zebra. These 3 come in this set, right? And these are the ones that we already have.
And these we already have for old. And this we have for old.
That's the Peppa Pig.
Like
Car.
family. Let's go into school. Look at this.
Oh, yeah, just use that window. Can I help you?
This was the last day for my uncle.
That's right, because we went to visit your uncle for Christmas, right? And we just got back, and now we're back to doing videos.
Yeah, we haven't done no video.
So how much do you love the set?
I love it.
Love it, love it, love it. Because who doesn't love Peppa Pig, right? We love Peppa
When
Pig.
I was little, I didn't used to love it.
But now
Only
you
my
love
friend Joe that lives next to me.
it. He loved Peppa.
He used to love Peppa Pig when he was little and I was little.
Yeah. And
I
now
used to love Caillou.
You still love Caillou.
Mm-hmm.
But you love Peppa.
Peppa. She's
And
really
I
nice.
love Peppa too. We all love Peppa Pig.
How about pretend this whole family was going to school? Hello.
How are you doing this morning?
Good. Today I'm going to school.
Hey Peppa, what's on your shirt?
A, B, and C.
Do you know your A, B, and C's?
Yes.
Alright kids, it's school time.
So that's when they go outside.
Go sit down.
Oh, I see my
Quickly, quickly children, quickly.
I'm going to sit here.
Susie Sheep, please sit down.
I'm not ready.
Zoe Zebra, take your seat. Alright kids, who can tell me how to spell?
Not me. No.
Who can tell me how to spell bat?
Me.
Peppa, go ahead.
Because I have ABCs on my shirt.
Go ahead, Peppa, spell bat for me.
B-A-T.
Amazing! Bravo! Bravo! Okay, I have a very tricky one for you kids. Who can spell cat for me?
Me.
Susie.
C-A-T.
Bravo! Bravo! Amazing! Who can spell mat? George. Go
George
ahead.
fell asleep.
George.
He's snoring. He's not
Susie,
sleeping.
please wake up George.
Wake up, George.
Georgie Pig was really tired from the night before. He did not get enough sleep.
George, you cannot sleep in the classroom. Now you're gonna get in trouble. I'm going to call your mommy and your daddy. Back to my lesson. Who can spell mat for me?
Me.
Zoe Zebra, go ahead.
Zebra.
Zebra. Spell mat.
M-A-T.
Bravo! You kids did amazing. Now, what is 1 plus 1?
Me.
Peppa.
Equals 2.
Bravo! Amazing! You kids deserve a recess time!
Yay!
Everybody go play outside! George? George?
Yes,
Are you up or are you still sleeping?
I'm up.
Alright.
Do we have to go online?
Yes, everybody line up in line, please. Very good. I'm so proud of you kids. You did so good today in reading and math. Now let's have fun. Go and play.
We're in the bouncy house. And they have something cool that my grandma got for me that my grandpa said, no more Santa.
Yeah. Here you go. This is the coolest Santa ever. Show it to them. Put it
It
on.
has little lights and he plays a piano.
That's right.
It's Christmas music. It has a little button in front.
Mhm.
And look at the little lights.
That is so cool, isn't it? Sing along, Kyla.
Wait, let's start from the beginning.
This was awesome.
Thank you for watching Playtime Toy Unboxing. I really love this toy. I hope you keep watching the video because I hope it be your favorite. Bye!
That video was awesome! Click the boxes to see even more. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you had fun, and also click here to subscribe to our channel for new videos every day.